and install the roof. So I will be here as well. I've contributed so much. I'm like a monkey. We are gonna walk you through about the current update. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of building a house here in the countryside of Cebu City. And in today's video, we are gonna be working, as you guys can see on the thumbnail. We are going to work on the house today. That's gonna be my job. A lot of you guys are asking about the wood that we are using. This 12 footings that we have is actually cocoa lumber, and I know that it is actually prone to termites, and a lot of you are suggesting to put something to protect the wood from the termites, and yes, that's what we are going to do today. So my job is to actually protect the 12 footings. So we are going to put a protection which is actually used oil, or in Bisaya we call it aceite, but in English it is the used oil in your motorbike or in your car. That's what we are going to use. Some people would use solignum, but it is actually expensive. The alternative material that we can use is actually used oil. So this is 4x4 by the way, and yes, cocoa lumber is prone to termites, so we have to protect them. And yes, I'm gonna do that today because why not? It is very sunny today, and you know what? We were here yesterday and it was raining so freaking hard, and that was very bad. All right, so we have here, okay, hold on. We have here some used oil, by the way. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna be very filthy. Hold on. So we have the used oil over here, and then ooh, that's there. And then I'm gonna put it in this little cup, and then I have a brush as well. And so we're, oi, it's so black. I didn't know it's this black, man. So we're gonna put it all in here. Oh my God, it is very hot. My sister is asking for some cover. Just use the umbrella. Guys, we have the used oil. Can you guys see? It is very, very black. And I'm afraid it's gonna go into my clothes, but that's okay. We're gonna be working today. Actually, we have this bamboo ladder, a makeshift bamboo ladder. So I need to go up in there. Good luck to me. It's actually pretty high. So my sister is my videographer, by the way, and I'm quite nervous because I felt like this is gonna tip or what. Wala! I'm like a monkey. Okay, dili mo ko anang. I'm very high already, guys. Oh my God, this is crazy. Okay, my sister is actually holding at the end of the right. Okay, so can you guys see? Now I'm trying to coat it with black. Oh my God. Actually, I can see that the cocoa lumber is absorbing the used oil. So this is the best alternative. It's actually for free because my brother-in-law is working in like a motor, he's like a motor technician or something. So he just got this from the motorbikes that he was working on. So we got like 4 liters, I think, but this is not gonna be enough. So we have to cover this, all of the, oh my God, I'm quite afraid to go up more actually, but oh my God, wait, I need to hold on. Okay, there you go. I'm so afraid that this is gonna slip, then I'm gonna be so fudged. I need to have something to hold on to, but oh my God, it's dripping everywhere. But this is really good, guys, so that termites will not eat our cocoa lumber, and it will be very strong by then. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna go down now and we're gonna work on the one at the bottom. Hold on, oh my god. I'm literally shaking. This is a very hard thing to do. Okay, this is good. Actually, this bamboo ladder is very helpful because it's gonna help you because it's quite high. It's gonna help you with, you know, reaching the highest part of the house. All right, look, I'm getting really filthy, but that's okay. This is for my house. I can do this. Ooh, look at that. Huh? It goes really black, but it actually, some of you guys have commented as well that this is more effective than the Solignum. So that's good to know. Hopefully it is. Whew. Actually, we have to make sure that we cover the one at the bottom because that's where the termite starts to creep in. But because we are going to actually put some hollow blocks here on this side here, so hopefully the termites will not creep in and try to destroy our foundation. Or is this a foundation or not? I don't think so. But oh my god. Okay, it smells, man. The one at the top as well. So this is the feeling of actually being a construction. You'll be working in this heat. It's like 40 degrees. Well, that could be an exaggeration, but that's how I feel. It is very, very hot, even though I have a hat on me. I have a farmer hat. But yeah, it is really hot, guys. Okay. This is good. Actually, I also like to work in my house. I felt like I've contributed so much. All right, we're gonna transfer into the other one. I need to go up again. So we're gonna get the ladder. Come on. My sister is giving up. Because it's very hot. Come on. Actually, my father, he already put some of the 12 woods, but as you guys can see, the one at the top, he was not able to finish it because the builder yesterday, he was working on with the roof, so he was using the ladder. So this is what I need to finish, the one at the top. Okay, so let's go. Come on, we need to put this again. Okay, so we're done with the first pole, guys. Now we have to finish what my father has started yesterday. This one over here, he was not able to cover the one at the top. So we have the ladder again. I need to go up in this ladder. Now it's getting steep. We are now in the middle of the... I'm so afraid that the oil is gonna go into my face. But I'm actually shaking. Okay. It is so hot. Oh my god. It's happening, guys. It's really happening, and I'm so excited that this will be finished. This is also the reason why it's good to have a package deal when you want to build your house, because if it rains, then you don't need to pay them for the whole day. You know, I mean, it's already packaged, so rain or shine, it depends on them if they will be able to work or not. Unlike if you're gonna pay them daily, if it rains, then you will, if it rains for the half day, then you will still have to pay for them for the entire day. So that's a bummer, you know. So it's an advantage if you're able to supply all the materials in one, and then we'll just use package because it's a lot better. Scarlett! Scarlett just touched the thing. Where's your hand? Eee! She just touched the used oil. Crazy. Okay, I'm working onto the very top of the wood. If I'm so tall, then I don't need the ladder, honestly, but I'm not. So we need to have some help with this ladder. But I hope this ladder is not gonna fail me and tip. Okay, all right. Guys, my hand is so filthy. I'm shaking. Wait. It's so hot. Wait. Look, guys. Look at my hand. This is the real deal. Me working on my house at 40 degrees heat. Whew. I need a break and I need some water. That is tiring. In this heat, it's really hard. But we gotta continue. Alright, we're gonna go into the next one. Woo! My slipper is so freaking hot. Okay, now we are on to the next pole, guys. This ladder actually is very good. He doesn't fail me yet. I did not fall yet. Okay, I'm quite far. Wait, I need to move forward. Ugh. Oh my god, I am so high already. I want my house to be finished as soon as possible. That's why I want to help with small things that I can do, like this. Of course, I'm not doing anything today, so actually used oil I think is really effective against termites because this is very strong. Guys, don't trash your trash like the used oil because you can actually use it like this. DIY. We're going down. Alright, we need to have a break. I'm too hot and too scared for this ladder. Might collapse. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. I'm so tired, it's so freaking hot. We're gonna continue this later on. But that is it for now. Let's go and keep this in there. Come on, and we're gonna have to wash my hands because it's very, very filthy and we have to have a lunch because it's lunch time. We're gonna place it here for now and we're gonna continue later. Ta-da! Look at that. Ugh. Dirty. Come on. Hurry guys. It is very hot, so that's why I have an umbrella with me. We are gonna walk you through about the current update of the house. We are here at the back of the house and yes, that's the $1 million view right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something over here. Some of you guys are asking about how it was being done, like the footings of the house. So it was being done like this. Actually, this part is over here is the one that is a bit low. That's why we needed to put soil in this part over here. This is actually where the toilet is going to be. And so I think we're gonna try to put the septic tank over there. You know that lamppost in the streets in the Philippines? It looks like that. It's very sturdy and quite strong looking. So that's good. All right, now we are going to get into the house over here. I'm gonna show you guys something. Now the current update of the house is actually this. We have to look up. The builder already put the wood of the house that will support the roof. So he's already installed it yesterday. It took him only about 3 hours to do all these. And it is quite a lot. I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 of those. And I think this is like 22 feet of wood. But since the wood that we got, I think the longest wood that you can get is actually 10 feet, I think. So that's why he has to combine both wood. So he is finished with this. And then tomorrow, if the weather permits, he should be able to do and install the roof. So I will be here as well to give you guys an update about that as well. And then we're gonna try to look here where the porch is going to be, or the terrace. So this is the terrace, and you can see that there's already a letter A that is forming. So we have 2 letter A's. The one below that is actually for the terrace, and this one over here for the terrace as well. So he did not finish putting the wood that will support the roof, so he's gonna do that tomorrow as well. And I really hope that the weather will cooperate so that we will be able to finish it as soon as possible, because honestly the only problem we have here in the country is that it rains a lot, because it's rainy season now here in the Philippines. And actually today he's not working today, and look at it now, it is very sunny. It's not cooperating, but that's okay. Anyway, this is the current update of the house, guys, and I want to thank the people again who have sent their donations for the house, and I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And so I am going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.